Hello and welcome to my studio. My name is Ido Agassi and today I want to show you how I work with this beautiful Kingsley hot stamping machine. This machine also came with these amazing wooden boxes full of type. This machine works on 110 volts, but with my dear father-in-law Haim, we made it to work with 220 volts. He added a switch and also we added a temperature controller that would give us a range between when it's getting into work and stops working, and that gives me the advantage of working throughout the day. The machine also comes with a type holder helping you set the type, and that's what I want to show you now. So I'll put the machine aside and start heating it up. So let me open these beautiful wooden boxes. I'll take my type holder and start setting the type. What I want to do is set from the right side to the left side because everything here is mirrored. So I'm starting from the right to the left, and then when I'm going to print it, it would be from the left to the right. So I'll take an N, O, W. I'll put a spacer, take a Y, O, and a U. I'm making sure that the marks are towards me and I can see everything is straight and not upside down, because if you set an O, it could be upside down, and these marks are showing me that this is the right way. Another spacer. Another capital letter. When I finish setting the type, I need to put spacers so everything won't move. So I'll put this one here and I will add some and lock it and put it inside the machine. While this is warming up, there are actually 3 elements that are working to get a good result in your hot stamping. One would be the pressure you apply while working. The second one will be the temperature of the machine. And the third one would be the duration of the type holding on the surface. So you need to find the balance between the 3, and it comes with experience. Because if you press lightly or if the machine is not hot enough, then you'll have letters that are not full and it won't look good. But also if you press very hard or the duration would be too long, then you have a blurry result and everything will touch also around the letters, and that will also won't look good. So you need to find a balance between all of them. What I recommend you to do usually is just take a piece, try on it, try different temperatures. It also changes between the kinds of foils. If I'll bring this kind of a foil, the temperature could be different than the foil I'm going to use now. So for the first time, I'm using and trying out if it's a different material or different foil, and then I'm trying and see what's the best result, and then I can set the machine and work on it. Okay? So let me close these amazing boxes. I'll put them aside and move the machine like this. The machine is set to 90 degrees Celsius, which is about 190 Fahrenheit. I'll bring a strip of leather to see it's nice up until the end here. See if it's okay here. Can move it just a bit Looks great. I'll bring a piece of foil, put it on the leather, and now I'm going to press down. And now you know how the hot stamping machine works. Thank you for being here and for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you are interested in things related to letterpress, bookbinding, and box making. It helps tremendously. And as always, I will see you in my next video.